Are you tired of cleaning your house every day? Have you considered a robot vacuum cleaner? Imagine a world where you can sit back, sip your tea, and let a smart device do the cleaning for you. That's the world robot vacuum cleaners invite us to live in. They are designed to make our lives easier, to save us time and effort. But how do they work? Well, these nifty little devices use a combination of intelligent programming and a variety of sensors to navigate your home. They can detect and avoid obstacles, clean under furniture, and even return to their charging stations when their batteries run low. The best part? You can schedule them to clean at your convenience. From pet hair to dust bunnies, these robotic cleaners are equipped to tackle it all, leaving your floors sparkling clean. So, if you're looking for a hands-free, efficient way to keep your home clean, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the top 5 robot vacuum cleaners on the market. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the product links in the description below. Starting at number 5, we have the Eufy RoboVac 11S. This slim, sleek vacuum packs a punch with its strong suction power, making quick work of dirt and debris. Not only that, but it operates quietly, ensuring your home stays peaceful even during cleanup. However, it's worth noting that the RoboVac 11S trades off some advanced mapping features for its budget-friendly price. But don't let that deter you. For its cost, the Eufy RoboVac 11S offers impressive performance, making it a great budget option. Coming in at number 4, we have the iRobot Roomba 694. This clever little device boasts intelligent navigation to avoid obstacles and efficiently clean your floors. With the convenience of app control, you can schedule cleanings from anywhere, anytime. The Roomba 694's auto-adjust cleaning head ensures it can handle a variety of surfaces. However, be aware that its battery life is slightly shorter than some competitors. But don't let that deter you. The iRobot Roomba 694 offers good value for its price. At number 3, we have the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum XL. This machine is more than just a vacuum, it's your personal cleaning assistant. It boasts AI laser vision, ensuring precision in every sweep. Its extra-large dustbin means more cleaning and less emptying. And let's not forget the powerful suction that leaves your floors spotless. However, it does come with a heftier price tag. But when you consider its capabilities, you'll see it's worth every penny. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum XL is a powerhouse of a cleaner. The runner-up is the Roborock S7. This remarkable machine boasts a sonic mopping technology, working tirelessly to scrub your floors clean. It's equipped with an intelligent lifting system, automatically adjusting to different floor types for optimal cleaning. Its battery life is also impressive, ensuring your home stays spotless for longer. However, with great features comes a higher price tag. But given its performance, many would agree that it's worth every penny. The Roborock S7 is a top-of-the-line robot vacuum cleaner, and the top spot goes to the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus. This is no ordinary robot vacuum. The iRobot Roomba S9 Plus is the epitome of advanced technology in the cleaning world. With its cutting-edge mapping, it intelligently navigates your home, learning the layout and the areas that need the most attention. You'll be amazed at how well it finds its way around, never missing a spot. But that's not all. Its automatic dirt disposal is a game-changer. Once it's done cleaning, it empties itself into a bag that can hold dirt and dust for up to 30 jobs, so you can forget about vacuum maintenance for weeks at a time. Now let's talk about power. The Roomba S9 Plus boasts a powerful suction that picks up everything from fine dust to large debris. It's a force to be reckoned with. However, all this sophistication comes at a price. The Roomba S9 Plus is on the higher end of the price spectrum, but then again, for the ultimate in convenience and performance, one could argue that it's worth every penny. The iRobot Roomba S9 Plus is the ultimate robot vacuum cleaner on the market. So, those are the top 5 robot vacuum cleaners on the market. Let's quickly recap. The Eufy RoboVac 11S, a compact and efficient cleaner, offers a quiet cleaning experience. The iRobot Roomba 694, with its intelligent navigation and dirt detect technology, ensures no speck of dust is left behind. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum XL, with its powerful suction and self-cleaning brush roll, is a great choice for homes with pets. The Roborock S7, with its sonic mopping and intelligent lift technology, provides an all-round cleaning solution. Lastly, the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus, the cream of the crop with its advanced mapping and automatic dirt disposal, offers the ultimate convenience. These automated cleaners not only save you time, but also provide a thorough, consistent clean, reaching those hard-to-reach spots. Whether your home is large or small, carpeted or hardwood, there's a robot vacuum out there for you. Remember, a clean house is a happy house. Until next time, happy cleaning.